Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be boiling a squishy, and it's like a squishy experiment. Not really, kind of like a squishy there. I don't really know, but okay, wait a minute. But anyway, the squishy I'll be boiling in hot water is this squishy. It's so defective. Look at this. Let me get this focus. God, this camera is not focusing. As you can see, so many defects. It's twisty. This not I'm not really boiling it in hot water. I'm just putting it into some boiling water. So this is kind of like steaming up. It's squishy, but it's kind of like a squishy there. I don't know what it's called. But anyway, let's get started. Let's go. Get this thing out. Wait a minute. Let the water boil. Down boiling. Now I'm gonna put this and get some boiling water in this container. Let's go. I hope the plastic don't melt. Done. Okay. Let's put you in a little bit. Let's see what happens. Ew, looks so gross. Ew, looks so gross. Ew, looks so gross. Ew, look damn gross. Ew. And see, that has a fucking effect. Right there, I don't care. And I bought a squishy for like $15 plus, but I don't care right now. It's been like 3 minutes now. It's still really like smoky. I don't know why. And the more I poke, as you can see, the more I poke, the more I have this reddish color, like circle thing. Which I don't know what's called. The more I do it, the more I feel like it. Ew, ow! That gross. That is gross. That is gross. Let's take it out. Oh, freak. Oh, shit. Whoa. Even a ball chain also like very. Ew, gross. Ouch. Let's just squeeze the water out. Ouch. Gross. Whoa, that's bunches of defects. Look at that. And she. What the hell? It's not that hot anymore. Put back into the container, guys. Okay, let's get it out from the container. And I put the water already. In a second, I put in a container. Oh, let me dry it up. It's not completely dry, but whew, got so much defects. Can you guys see that? Wait a minute. It's not focusing. Got there. See that? There's so many defects, guys. Second, more defects. Look at that. Ow! But look at that. Come on, look at that. Look at this. It's still. I don't know how hot it is, but it's still really squishy. Ew, gross. Oh, ew, it's gross. I don't know why the water now is not hot anymore. Let me get the tissue and wipe it off. Now, wait a minute. Let me get this thing moved. up and down. Okay. Now I'm gonna cut it up, okay, because it's like so defected already. So many defects already. Now I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna find my scissors. Where is it? Got it, okay. Now I'm gonna cut it in half. Let's go. Jokes, guys, even though it is so defected, but I won't cut this because it was one of my favorite defected squishy. It's still really squishy though, but I'm not gonna cut it. But if you guys requested for the squishy there, I will cut it, okay? If you guys requested, but you know, it's still really like defective, but I won't cut it. It's my favorite squishy of all time. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Subscribe, like, and comment down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. Bye guys. Oh god damn it.